is a hard truth. AI is already creating millionaires every single day. But at the same time, a lot of people are also getting broke. And guess what? The gap is getting wider and wider. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Grow with Angie for Love. Like I said in the opening video, I said that AI is already creating millionaires today. But at the same time, a lot of people is already getting broke and the gap is getting wider and wider. So now the real question is, are you going to be one of those people who adapt and thrives? Or are you going to be one of those people who ignore AI and gets left behind? I'm sure you don't want to be that person, right? So in today's video, I'm going to break down why most people still stay broke in the age of AI and what you can start doing now, like right now, right? What you can start doing now or today to avoid it. So stick around and I would share these details. And trust me, these details that I'm going to share is literally going to change the way you see the future. So without wasting time, what's that word? Without much ado, right? Okay, let's get right into it. So now, the first point I want to share is the wealth. Oh my God, the wealth shift. Okay, right. So let's start here. Every major technological shift in history has created both winners and losers, right? Now, when the internet first came, some people built businesses, some created content and became, millionaires, and others ignored it. And decades later, they are still stuck. And that is the same thing that is happening today. AI is the exact same thing. Right now, there are people who are using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI platforms, right? To build content, to write books, start businesses, and even land high-paying jobs. See, I can tell you, all those people that you see, they will not tell you that they are using AI, but let me see. I will tell you today, most businesses today are using AI in one way or another. Nothing like, they know, see, I don't want to begin to talk too much. See, they might not tell you, but trust me, in fact, 99% of businesses are using AI today to make things easy for them. So don't feel that, oh, if I start using AI, they go say, no. You understand? So, like I said, people are using AI tools, ChatGPT and the rest of them, while others are sitting on the sidelines saying, AI will take all the jobs. There's nothing I can do. Oh boy, there's more. There's in fact, you have more things to do. There's something you can do. So you don't have to have this mindset, okay? You need to remove that mindset from you that, oh, AI will take the job. No, remove it from you, okay? Remove that kind of mindset, because that mindset is the reason most people will stay broke in this new age, and you don't want to be among those people. Of course, you don't want to be. Right? So that's the point. Point number one. Now, point number two. There are 3 excuses that people give. 3 excuses keeping people broke today. 3 excuses. Now, look at those excuses. Now, let me share the 3 biggest excuses I keep hearing. In fact, this one, personally, I keep hearing this one. I don't understand AI. Many people, I've had people come to my DM to say, oh boy, this AI thing, how they work, I never understand them, how it be. People keep saying that, right? They say, I don't understand AI. Now, here's the reality check. See the real thing now. See the real thing. Might adjust my cap, because this thing I want to talk, you really need to hear this one. So people that keep saying, I don't understand AI, the truth is, you don't need to be a tech genius to use AI. You don't need to be you don't need to be guru. You understand? You don't need to be guru. Say, you don't need to be Albert Einstein. I be how see, I'm gonna go chop my mouth because I won't pronounce person name. So you don't need to be guru. You don't need to be that tech savvy and all of that. It's not something so complicated. You don't need to be a tech guru for you to use AI. These tools are designed to be simple. If you can use Google and WhatsApp, then you can learn AI. I'm sure, in fact, nobody will tell me say they use WhatsApp. Like most people use WhatsApp. You understand? So if you can use Google or WhatsApp, you can learn AI. The number 2 excuse people give is, I'll wait until later. No wait. But later is already too late. The people who jumped in now are building skills and income streams that others will be paying for in the future. So don't say, oh, I will do it later. No, procrastination is very dangerous. No, do it now. Then the number 3 excuse that people give is, it's too complicated or too much hype. They don't too hype this AI too much. I beg you. I beg you, too complicated. I'm not go feel it. That excuse is so, I don't know the word to use it. I don't know the word to use to describe it. So the same thing people said about the internet, social media, and even smartphones. Look around today. Can you live without those? No. In fact, how you take they watch me now? No be true your phone, you take they watch me. Yeah, smartphone, AI. Smartphone, data, and all of that. So AI will be the same. We cannot do without our smartphones and so many things. The same thing too with AI. Now, real examples of people winning. Now, we've talked about people who are, trying to give up on AI and all of that. Now, let me give you an example of people who are winning. There are freelancers today who are making 7 figures just by using AI to write blog posts and copy for businesses. Many businesses just want to take off that stress from them. They just want somebody who will manage their social media account, write content for them. And people who know how to use AI are already there, collecting their 6 figures and helping these busy entrepreneurs and business owners using AI. Content creators are using AI to edit videos faster, create thumbnails, and brainstorm content ideas, saving time and even earning more. See, no go think I'm more. Like I said before, many people they use AI today, but they will not tell you they use AI. They use AI. So leave that thing. Everybody they use AI. So don't be left behind. Content creators are using AI to edit their videos, brainstorm, and entrepreneurs are using AI chatbots to handle customer service so they can focus on growing their business. You don't ever go chat business before. We say, as you just they drop the message for WhatsApp, message they come immediately. They answer you with your question like, that's AI. They've programmed it, structure everything there. So now AI they answer you all those things for their comment, for their you make inquiries. AI they answer you. They don't set everything there. They do all that things. So that's it. So, like I said, all these people that I mentioned, freelancers, content creators, entrepreneurs, none of these people are AI engineers. No, they are not. They are just everyday people like you and I, like me and you. Everyday people like you and I, me and you, who just choose to learn AI and to apply these simple tools. Shikena. So now, how can you avoid being left behind? So how do you avoid being part of the broke majority? Here's the formula. Number 1, learn one AI tool well. There are so many AI tools out there. ChatGPT, Canva AI, video editing, AI tools and all of that. They're plenty. Just learn one and learn it well. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one that aligns with your goals. For example, ChatGPT for writing, Canva AI for design, or Descript for video editing. Learn one, master and well. Don't be a jack of all trades, master of none. No. So pick one, learn and well. Then number 2, apply it to solve problems. Don't just play with it or use it. You need to create content, build a skill, or offer services. Yes, with that tool that you have learned, with that AI tool that you have learned. So create content with it, build a skill with it, or offer services. Then number 3, you need to stay curious. because AI is moving fast. Not just to say you will just relax. No, no go relax. So no go like bebe. No relax. So stay curious, wanting to know more. AI is moving fast, but those who keep learning will always be ahead of the curve. So this is not about being perfect. It's about being willing to try, be teachable. Okay, be open-minded, be ready to learn. So after all these things, why I don't talk, what's the conclusion? So here's the bottom line. AI is not replacing you. Lie. Who even create the AI? No be human being create am. Now my human being create am. So how AI go come replace human being? Something where human being create go come replace am. You know the human me. Kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀. You understand? You know if it happen. So AI is not replacing you. It's not going to replace you. But the person who knows how to use AI well, person who sabi use AI well, go fit replace you. So that's the bottom line. So the ball is in your court. The choice is yours. Stay broke with no shishi, or step up and learn the tools or the AI tools that can set you apart in this new age. So I have a video here you can still watch. In fact, just go through my videos and watch them, and trust me, you will really enjoy them. You get value. So if you got value from this, make sure you hit the like button, and yes, subscribe because I'll be sharing more practical tips to help you grow and thrive in the AI era. Like I said, the videos I made before, the videos I'll be making going forward, I'm going to record, practical videos that you can learn or use to, learn how to navigate or use some of these AI tools, like I said. So don't wait. Your future self will thank you if you sit down and put in your all to learn how to use AI tools. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.